This video covers the SCIKEY Talent Commerce Platform module of job posting. Job posting is the first step before a recruiter can invoke responses from the entities that are linked to the platform. By entities, we mean the crowd network, the resume vault that the recruiter's company maintain on the platform, the employees through the employee referral system, the vendors who are part of the company approved supplier list, and candidates who apply directly. So let's see the process of job creation in action. In this process, we assume that you are already a registered hirer on a talent commerce platform. We type www.hire.scikey.ai on the browser, or come here through our website www.scikey.ai. On the login page, the email ID is used as the login ID. This email is one using which the company registered on SCIKEY Talent Commerce Platform as a hirer. After entering the password, you directly land on your dashboard. Here, I am using admin password, therefore you can see it fairly populated. However, for the first time users, you may not be able to see all the data or options. On the left hand side, the collapsible menu provides all the options for different actions. We will focus on create job menu item that leads to the job posting for full-time or contract staff. This is the most important step in right hiring, and therefore SCIKEY has put special focus with all necessary details that can help find most accurate candidates for the posted job. The first information asked is how many people you are looking to hire for this job. Here I put a number 2, which means I plan to hire 2 people for the job that I am going to post. On clicking the Create New Job button, a dashboard appears with 9 elements that the platform expects to be updated for an accurate search and hire. We will see them one by one. Clicking Company Description, it asks for the name of the company. This data comes from a pre-populated list, and in normal case, it's always the name of the company that the hiring company registers with on the platform. There is an option for companies to keep their names hidden if they do not want to show who is hiring. In that case, the job posting will come up with a client of SCIKEY instead of the name of the real hiring company. This option is used by many companies who are hiring for a position and do not want anyone except targeted candidates to know about the position. Option to add department and role and logo is also available. Adding more about the company is optional and can also be done while registering the new company on the platform. If it is done during the registration, the data automatically populates in all new job posting. The second option of employment details asks information on the job title, followed by city of the job that can be selected. We have option to select more than one city. The best part of the job posting in SCIKEY is that it provides the option for the actual location in the selected city, even though it's an optional entry. Cities have grown big, and it is seen that candidates are very choosy of the distance of commute before they agree for a job interview. This information ensures that candidates are better informed before choosing to apply for the job. Even the SCIKEY search algorithm ensures a deeper search with more information. The next 2 options ask for the type of job, if that allows work from home or remote working. The second option calls for understanding if the job can be done by physically challenged candidates, as they will require friendly place for their special needs. Then it asks for type of job, which refers to full-time employee, contractual staff, or simply an internship. Another option of contract to hire is provided. That is a popular model of employment in many places, also known as try and hire. In case of contract hire option, provision for duration of the assignment can be updated. The next item calls for updating job description. While this is the most time-consuming process for posting any job, SCIKEY has made it simple. It provides two options for providing the details of the job. You can copy-paste the job description Word file or upload a previously created job description file. Next item to be updated is education and experience. It asks for educational qualification level, certification required if any, and experience range in number of years. A text box is provided to put any specific details of the experience for better clarity. Next item is about primary and secondary skills that the job needs. This is a selection type box where the keywords appear on tapping them. This is automatically picked from the uploaded job description, and we can leave it or edit the data as needed. Here, a skill like Java is automatically picked and the level of proficiency needed also is picked. We can edit them as needed. Next option is mind match profile for the job. This is an optional selection but very useful for recruiters to find the behavioral fit of the candidate in the job. This selection invokes a mind match psychometric assessment when candidate applies for the job. SCIKEY mind match algorithm automatically indicates the behavioral fitment level as per the criteria defined in the selection here when recruiter reviews their application. There are predefined mind match templates for various level of jobs that one can select or create a new template for the given job. Here we are looking for a developer, therefore we will choose a template of a developer. In case we plan to change the parameters, we can do that easily. We will cover mind match in more detail in our next video. The next option of expected joining calls for date when the company wants the position to be filled. It can be chosen from prefixed templates or a custom date can be chosen from the calendar. The second last option is about salary details. First of all, we need to choose the currency and the budget period. The platform can handle jobs posting of all countries, and giving local currency helps better localization. The budget range is provided for the position in given currency, followed by options of benefits. After saving the budget details, we will go finally to the hiring process. This part is the application tracking system of the platform. The workflow most appropriate for the job hiring process needs to be selected on which the entire hiring process runs. We select the most suitable workflow amongst the available list. This list will vary from user to user. What you see here is admin panel, so you see more options. The workflow we have chosen here is belonging to the company SCIKEY with test optional and level 1 and level 2 interviews before the selection is done. Shortlisting is a default process that is expected to be done by the recruiter before the level 1 interview is conducted. We then proceed to update email ID of the responsible person who will choose the shortlisting process and then selecting the date by which this process should end. This process helps the platform to indicate the adherence of service levels. We do the same for level 1 interview process and for level 2 interview process. The email ID of the person entered will get a message about the readiness of the candidate for the interview. After the interview, the recipient of the email can reply updating approved or rejected condition and mentioning the reason for the decision right from their emails. Here, they need not log in into the system to update the details. System picks details from their email itself. If this part is not updated, the workflow automation will not invoke auto reminders and updates to the interview panels, nor it will give accurate SLA figures. Therefore, Following the process ensures best results. Once completed, the job is ready to be posted. On posting the job, a pop-up appears with all social links on the job that can be shared by the recruiter to attract maximum applications. Currently, the job can be directly posted to Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google Jobs. The job link can also be sent on email, and a copy of job link can be stored or shared on any other platform the company wishes to use. It can be easily integrated to the company career site as well. So we complete the job posting on SCIKEY Talent Commerce Platform. In case you want to edit the job posted, the option is provided on the job card that forms once the job gets posted. Thank you, and looking forward to see you in the next video.